How to split columns in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to split columns on your Google Docs. I'll show you how in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the Google Docs paragraph that you want to split into columns. Now just select it all, use Ctrl A shortcut, and then go to Format at the ribbon bar, and you can see columns, and you can see two columns, three columns options. So if you want two columns, just tap on it, and there you go. Google Docs automatically makes your paragraphs into two columns. Now, if you want three columns, you can just select it again and then go to Format, go to Columns again, and go to the three columns option. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.